Some people say human writers are becoming obsolete, and honestly, they might be right. But what if I told you that AI could write your bestseller, but it might ruin your entire story? Hey friends, so today I want to talk about something that's been buzzing everywhere: AI in storytelling. You've probably heard people say, oh, AI can write novels, AI can write scripts, poems, and even songs. And I know what you are thinking. But wait, does this mean that human writers are no longer needed? Now let's talk about that. So picture this. You sit down to write a story. Your ideas are flowing, but then suddenly you hit a wall. You type a few words into an AI tool and boom, a whole paragraph pops up. It sounds amazing, right? But then something strange happens. It doesn't feel like your story. It's technically correct, but maybe even creative, but it's missing something. It's missing your heart, your life experience, your personal touch. And that's exactly what makes stories connect with people. Now, the thing is this: AI is not evil, it's a tool like a pen, a typewriter, or even Canva for designers. But let's answer this question honestly. If we rely on AI too much, do we risk losing our own voice? Do we risk telling stories that sound polished but doesn't feel real? Now, think about your favorite books, the ones that made you cry, laugh, or even think differently. Could a machine have written those? Probably not. Now, the reason is because storytelling is not just about words, it's about human experience, human perspective, and human emotions. Now, let me give you an analogy. See AI like a cooking robot. It can follow recipe perfectly, it can mix ingredients, it can even bake the cake, but can it taste it? No, it can't taste it. It can't even adjust the flavors or add the secret ingredient that makes it yours. And that's what writers do. That's what makes our stories come alive. So, should writers be scared of AI? Not at all. Instead, we should use it to help us brainstorm, to get unstuck, and to speed up some boring parts of our work. But the core, the magic, still has to come from us, from our experience, from our emotions, our truth. That's what makes story unforgettable. Now, tell me, what do you think? Can AI ever truly capture the soul of a story? Or is human touch irreplaceable? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your opinion. And if you want more tips, about writing, storytelling, and creating content that truly connects with people, ensure you're subscribed to this channel. We'll explore this journey together.
Please like, share, and subscribe.